Hey guys, I decided to take you along on a little hike with me. It's beautiful over here. There's so many pretty streams and views, and the grass. I've noticed lately nature is really helping with anxiety and just being depressed and being at home, so it's good to get outside. The sun is bright. All these leaves are falling. It looks like snow. This is new. This water is beautiful. I'm getting up the hill. I'm trying to film and record here. There's a lot of rocks. Here it is. And I'm almost done. Okay guys, I'm gonna walk down this hill so I can show you how awesome this is. It's like a little dirt trail here. And look at those trees, it's so pretty. We are almost done. Here we go, we're getting to the hill. Down, look at these rocks. I'm gonna go down here and then we're done. I hope you enjoyed.